Well, partners, looks like we done did muck this one all up, huh? Can we start over?
Yeah.
Well, partners, looks like we done did muck this one all up, huh?
Will you shut up with the voice, all right? It failed. Your plan.
Damn it.
Let me feel it, 'cause you want my love. I want you hard just for a minute, come by.
No, I'm good.
Okay,
I'm good.
okay.
Oh shit!
I'm not even rolling. Rolling. Action.
Second. Oh my God.
Oh. On the carpet?
Face! It's flexed! This one is for the fans.
Well, anyway, we're off. So I guess I'll just tell you about it when we get back.
Let me know how the pizza is.
Yeah, sure thing.
Have fun.
See you guys.
You good?
But they still got it, because right when you think Iron Dog has imprisoned all of the animals in the vanilla realm, the newest wizard in training, Lil Wizzy, what is it? Lil Willy, sorry.
You're early. Sorry, that was so early. I was early.
Well, I can't think of any. Not on Cottonmouth. Here, feel how tongue my dry is.
Feel my tongue, I'm dry it.
Yeah, I'm gonna need my grass walking shoes if we're going that way.
I'm sorry, guys. I was trying.
Hey kids, who's ready? Damn it, you're men. Hi. Oh my God, I'll Oh, come on, man. This is for the fans. I said winners. Sorry.
Oh, I guess we gotta do it one more time.
Let's have a very average day.
Okay, where are we going?
Oh, we're not going anywhere just yet.
I was like, what's that face?
That's right, Iron Dog. I had my EpiPen in the car. Move over. Yeah.
That's right! Iron Dog, I'm the final piece of the puzzle!
I'm the final
Shut
piece
your
of the-
trap and it will be muzzled!
Move over.
That's right, Iron Dog! I'm the final piece of the puzzle! Shut your trap and you will be muzzled!
I was supposed to be the
I like dug my fingers to the
How
side of his
we-
head.